Hey guys, Thunder E here and welcome to our tips and tricks video for the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Packs a lot of features, so we're going to dive in and show you some of those features right here. So you can see there is a your step counter, and your step counter can be seen and you can set it up on your always on display. So let's go ahead and unlock the device. If we go to do that, you want to go all the way to home screen and wallpaper. And then you can toggle on and off your step counter. So you can toggle on and off here. You can also select your home drawer style. So you can actually set it up that way. And that's pretty nice. Now, as you can see, I'm using gesture controls on the device. I can go back by swiping from my right to left. I can swipe up from the bottom to go home and hold up to go multitask. Very similar to iOS devices, or as you can see now. But to actually set this up, you want to go into the settings, scroll down to system, and then go to system navigation, and then you can toggle between the three navigation options. There is the navigation dock, which you can have this dock float around for you, and you can use that to navigate. There is, of course, the three navigation key. You can have the keys at the bottom, or you can have gesture controls, which is what I've enjoyed using recently. Now, if we scroll down here, we can see the notification bar has a bunch of features. We've got Huawei Share, quick screenshots. We've also got screen record. You can do that directly from your notification bar as well. Now, just running down the line of some of the things you will find in the device through all the different menu options here, which I actually find quite useful. So we've gone through home screen and wallpaper. If we go into display here, we've got smart resolution, which basically just toggles your resolution for you. You've got some more display options here, and that allows you to do certain things like putting display network speeds and carrier name. So it should show that here, but it's not showing that up. As we move back, we can go into sound, where you have a lot of sound options. Dolby Atmos, and you've got smart, you've got movie, you've got music, and in music you've got intelligent equalizer, where you can set up your equalizer to match whichever way you want, and we'll head back from there. So another one is battery. Now, the one thing you've noticed is also I'm running the dark mode here, or dark theme, if you will. In the battery here, we've got, of course, our battery saver mode, ultra power. We've also got darken interface colors, and I can tap that to toggle between a bright or tap again. I prefer the darken mode. This also optimizes your battery life as well, so that aids your battery life. And then this is where you have the settings for your wireless reverse charging. So you can go ahead and set up your wireless reverse charging for your device and charge other people's devices whenever you choose. So, and this will time out if you're not charging. So if you're not using it, it'll eventually automatically switch off. Now, you've got the settings menu here, stay connected while sleeping, and battery percentage needed. So those are there. Now you can see the menu options is more streamlined now, more focused at giving you a direct feedback for what you're looking for. Now we've got storage options here. We can clean up your storage. You've got the digital balance, which is basically letting you know how much time you spend on your device and what you do. You can set up the time management for that, and also to help you out with using your smartphone. Security and privacy has a couple of things. Of course, you've got your setup for your facial recognition, Face ID, app lock, things like that. But you can also do a password vault here, so you can save your passwords if you want to. You can set up an app lock, create a private space, basically accessing through fingerprints. So basically creating a feature that basically allows you to create separate zones in your device with this, which is so you're using different fingerprints to create basically different setups for your device. Something that Flossie would like to call it, the thought mode, if you will. So another cool feature is within Face Unlock, where you can unlock your device and then swipe up to unlock, or you can unlock directly by looking, and boom, there you go. So to switch between either of the two, you want to go into your settings, and then, excuse me about that, you want to go actually to security and privacy. Then you want to go to facial recognition. Here, you put in your passcode, boom, you're greeted with your face unlock. Here, You've got direct unlock, which is what I'm using. You've got slide unlock, so I can switch to slide unlock and then do this. It's unlocked, then I can swipe. Now I can go ahead and switch back to just direct face unlock by going back again to facial recognition, putting in my passcode, and then I can switch back to direct unlock, which I like. So you've got that option in there, and you can also, which is pretty nice. So I like that option there. You've got a couple of things like smart unlock, screen notifications. When enabled, this context of notifications on the lock screen will only be shown when your face is recognized. So again, you've got a couple of levels of things you can actually do. To make it more secure, this is the most important thing, is actually having the eye contact. So if I take this off, it's even much faster. Face unlock will only work when you look at the screen. So that's something, again, to take note. So if I take this off, I'm going to show you how fast this actually is. And I can do this, boom, this, boom. And my face is slightly off center. My face is on this angle here. So I usually just keep that there just for the extra layer of security on there. Now, if we move back from security, we've got user accounts, we have Google, and we've got system here. In your system, you can go ahead and phone clone another phone if you want to. And you've also got the simple mode as well, if that's something you want to use. Now, if we go back home, I want to show you something with the home screen. So we've got our wallpaper here of Batman. It looks a little bit blurry, and I'll show you how to do that. So you've got your wallpaper, and we can go here and just go to downloads, and let's pick this All Might wallpaper. See it here? Very nice. I'll save this wallpaper for you guys so you can have it also in this ability to download in this video. Now, as you can see also, Android system, no charging devices detected, which means it's turned off the reverse wireless charging. Now, as I set up the wallpaper, I can go ahead here at the very bottom and hit blur. And I can blur it all the way out or keep it sharp. I can blur it out, keep it sharp. So you can set up your wallpaper that way. See, I keep it blurry, all the way blurry. Set for home and lock screen, and boom, there you have it. So it's now a blurred background wallpaper. Still nice to look at, really solid. Now, the other thing, of course, I forgot to show you is taking away the notch. Now, because I run a dark theme, it kind of hides the notch for me most of the time, which is great. And I don't have to look at it, but I can go ahead and take away the notch by going into display here. We've got screen resolution and more screen settings. And then you can go ahead and take away the notch right here. So you can hide it completely or bring it back up, which you can't see. But if I do this, now the notch is gone. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully that gives you a good idea of how to use the Huawei Mate 20 Pro using the latest version of EMUI and understanding how to get the best out of this device. Just showing you here, GPU Turbo, build number 9, EMU version number 9, Android 9. We've got all these info in here, 6 gigs of RAM, Kirin 980 processor, pretty nice. I have to say the gesture control works out pretty well, except when you have a scrolling bar like this that can be annoying, but on that, I've found it quite useful. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'll try and answer them for you. If there's anything else you're looking for, I can go ahead and search for it for you on the device. A quick one for people who want to see camera stuff. Just so if you want to shoot in RAW, you have to go into, just go back again. You want to go into Pro mode, go into the settings, and then go to resolution. Then you can actually toggle on or off RAW, and of course change your resolution right there. So pretty straightforward, pretty easy, as you can clearly see. So again, guys, any questions, any comments, let me know. I'll try and answer them for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment.